This is the floor piece right here. This is the first piece you're going to work with, and you're going to notice it dictates the back of the sauna are these pre-drilled holes. There'll be 3 sets of them, and that means it's the back of your sauna. Those are for your seat assembly later on in the program here. Now the next thing we're going to be starting with is the back wall, the heating wall, and the side wall that will be going. And Roberto, help me with this. The heating wall is the one with the black cord coming out of it. That goes to the back of the sauna. And the side wall is what Roberto has. And they're male and female joints. Okay? And that's how you're going to start, so it stands up by itself. Then you're going to go to the next back wall, which is your black cord, meaning that the heating cord, the heaters are always on the back. And you're going to hook it up first. And then your side wall will come in. And your right side wall will have the vent. Okay. There. Sometimes it can be a little tricky, but persuasiveness makes it work. Now your next pieces are going to be your side window. Whichever side you want to start with is fine. We're going with the left one. I mean the right one, excuse me. Okay. Then the next piece will be your door. Okay. Open that up. Get in there and push it, pull it. There we go. Okay, and your last piece will be your left window. And now your 4 walls are up, and your wall assembly is completed. The next step is going to be the roof assembly, and it's easier to do this while the roof is on the floor. There's going to be screws that need to be attended to, tightened down, and they're underneath these wood boxes here. And they're called the junction boxes and the relays. And during shipping, trucking, occasionally they will loosen up and create problems for you down the line. As you can see underneath this plastic lid is the junction boxes, and those screws are the ones we want to attend to. And you have a Phillips screwdriver in your package that will attend to that. The 2 relays and the second junction box under this other box over here. You will have 2 more of each. One of these relays and junction boxes runs one side of the heaters, and the other runs the other side of the heater. Again, 2 relays, 2 junction boxes, and the screws underneath you will attend to. And then when you've done that, you put your lids back on and screw them down. This is a one-time deal. It's all you have to do this. If you move your sauna again and you drive it across the country, you will want to do it again each time you move this sauna. Now, the other thing you'll have to do is, you'll notice this red tag here, and it's basically screws that need to be removed so you can, so your CD player will accept the CD. They're there for protective purposes during shipping. So if you put your CD player in and it doesn't accept, it's because these screws weren't taken out. And then you're good to go. You got to undo your plugs, untangle them, and have them just laying out. And then you're ready to put your top on. Roberto, come on in here and okay, let's get oh Jesus, you just hold it steady there. You're going to see square cutouts in your roof for your control panel wires and your heater wires. There'll be 2 in the front and 2 in the back, and then 1 for your control panel. Oh God. There we go. Okay, and then you have to plug in all your heater coils. There's